Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, Good Wine Zone.
I wish you had told me. I would have fixed my hair.
Here we have Alan Goodwine, about to review Jennifer McGillicuddy McGilbert's man. She used to be a man, by the way. Her spaghetti. So
We're going to cut that part out.
Alan?
That was my maiden name.
All right, first of all, if I had known I was coming over to be filmed, I would not have worn a shirt that was too tight.
But like Bama.
Number two, number two, we are here, and Miss McGilton has fixed my favorite dish, spaghetti. Look at that. It's spicy spaghetti. It has sausage, ground up sausage. What makes it spicy?
Red pepper.
Red pepper. Nothing wrong with red pepper. So it's delicious. The review is 2 thumbs up, and it's a 2-bowl meal, which means I'll eat this bowl. That's probably like, what, about a 60-ounce bowl or something? And then I'll probably eat another bowl, and that's after I had salmon that Smoking Hot fixed me at the house. But in the words of a friend of mine, it takes a lot to keep this machine going.
Amen. Amen.
Is that good enough for you?
All right. Jennifer McGilton's man used to be a man's spaghetti
Why
review.
does he say
Because
that?
that's my maiden name. Was maiden.
Oh.
I've told you the story
Yes,
that
you have,
a
but
pastor, Brian Job, used to laugh because Greg, you used to be married to a man.
Well, that's good, but I'm glad that you explained that for the 43 people that are going to watch this. So, hey, the other thing I was going to say is, so Jennifer, on the first video that McGilton ever appears on, I tell everybody we've made him a full-fledged member. I had no idea that gave him publishing rights, editing rights, rights over content.
He takes ownership.
Yeah, I thought it was just going to be, he's in the video and hey, more than just a little guest, because you'll be on a lot of videos. So he just takes over, doesn't he?
Yes. Yes, he's a bossy person.
Hey, while you're on there, do you want to talk about the bags? My $75 bags?
Cut! Okay, yeah, let's talk about the bags. I don't know if this is going to work. This is for the men watching, listening. I got to go back this way.
You can't keep saying.
First off, what time is it? The clock. It's time to ride. So Jennifer comes downstairs and Alan rolls up on his Triumph Tiger with his new eBay bags, soft bag panniers, and says, the value that he bought them for, $75.
You need to tell them yourself.
And
By the way, that was Amazon, not eBay, but that's okay.
Jennifer's standing there. He's telling me about the panniers and says, he spent $75 on them. Then he goes on to say, Jennifer, if these aren't good enough for Greg, they had to be KTM bags. They'd probably be 10 grand or something. So, I don't know what kind of friend does that. Dudes don't say stuff like that, but this one does. So now that we got that settled.
Well, the second Good Wine McGillicuddy project was successful today. Tell them about your new trailer for your trip.
So going out west, still don't know if this is going to work. Going out west in a short time, and been rigging up a new trailer, kind of an overland trailer, motorcycle underneath, rooftop tent on top, and to get the rooftop tent on top, I needed Goodwine's help.
Let me just say this.
That's why he wore the muscle shirt. He knew he was going to do some heavy lifting today.
This trailer is bigger than Dina's in my first house. How about that?
Well, there's that. So anyway, that's done. Back to you, Goodwine.
All right, well, we'll show the trailer on another day, and we'll finish up the bag review on another day. But may I eat the rest of this delicious spaghetti?
Absolutely. Cut!
Goodbye, Good Wine Zone.